Recording is rolling. It is Friday, January 17th. So today's picture day for clubs. Senior panoramic was first period, but let's see where are we. Now you guys we're in fifth period right now. So I have to go to what 11:30 it looks like. 11:30. Okay, Hawk Nation. Is anybody in Hawk Nation? Because they're doing a photo like right now. Right then yearbook. Is anybody in yearbook? Okay, because that's going on like 2 minutes. All right, here's the rest for got Beta Club, Robotics, Chess Club, Pottery. Right? I think that'll take us. Oh, and then SGA is right, okay, at the beginning of six. Right. Is anybody in any of those clubs? Because if you are, you have a picture coming up pretty soon. Right. Then continuing here, starting at about sixth period and going into well 6 and 7. I got SGA, Hawk Buddies, Investment, Puzzle, TSA, Rho Kappa, uh, Kayaking, Esports, AYLA, Key Club, Mock Trial, Ping Pong, Art, Troop 7083. Was it a theater, right? Yeah. All right. And then March of Dimes. All right. So those are ones pictures to be taken. If you have to take a picture at some point, then you guys know also, of course, I uploaded the schedule to Google Classroom, so you can access it there. All right. Good. Chapter 8 puzzles we did in class yesterday. If you were present in class yesterday working on the puzzles, those points are already in the gradebook. If you were absent yesterday, or if you just weren't working on them, then I did not put the points in. And if you want the points, just turn in your work on Tuesday and I'll put the points in. Right? But most of you guys already have the points in, so get there. I gave you guys your rotational dynamics quiz yesterday. When is that due? Tuesday. So you guys got a few days there. Okay. All right, questions so far? You guys all right? All right, so we're pretty much taking all class period today for this racquetball challenge. I have a racquetball here. I'll tell you guys the mass of the racquetball is 40 grams, although, uh, well, the mass and the radial size do end up canceling out for this puzzle that I'm about to set for you guys. But if you want to get your hands on this racquetball at some point, just kind of feel it, or if you want to measure the radius or diameter with a ruler, that's okay. You can do all that. That's all right. Right. So the challenge is going to be this. Right. Here's the setup. You can see it back in the lab table. You guys see that incline back there? See that incline? So near the end of class, last few minutes of class, I'm going to set this racquetball up at the 200 centimeter mark on that incline, 200 centimeters up, okay? And let it go. It's going to roll down the incline, go off the edge of the lab table, and land somewhere on the floor. You guys see this position X? And that's the challenge. Can you determine where X is? Uh, and then you guys have some pointers on your desk. So here's for number 8. So this is going to be a team challenge, right? So you guys can be in teams. So whatever team you're in, I have 8 of these. So there's one per desk pod. Right? So this one's number 8, right? And notice on the corner, oh, I inked in this corner right here. You guys see that? Okay. So wherever you think it's going to land after you do your calculations, go ahead and tape this. It's got some masking tape on the back. Tape this on the floor, exactly where you think it's going to land. Like if you think it'd be at that point, right? Because you calculate it, you tape that. Right? Of course, this would be on the floor, right? On the floor, right? Tape it where you think it is, and then I'll roll the racquetball down, and whichever marker is the closest wins the prize. You guys get team prize, and the team prize is going to be everybody in your team is going to win a zebra cake. Ooh, ooh, look at that. It's stuffed with zebra meat straight from the Serengeti, just for you guys. Zebra cake. Right, so you're allowed to make measurements. There's protractors there. There's meter sticks. What you're not allowed to do is roll anything. So no trial runs. If you want to get your hands on the ball and feel it, that's okay. Right? But no rolling the ball, no trial runs. You can do this all with just calculation, measurements and calculations. Right? Winning team will win the zebra cake. If you want zebra cake, I solve some physics.